Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome to another amazing episode on Health Zone. And today we are going to talk about cassava leaves, an energy booster and a natural healer of many more diseases. Let's go for a quick break. When we come back, we'll talk about today's topic.
Perfect Living TV above and beyond.
Welcome back from that short break now. If you are looking for one ingredient to take care of all your health, skin and hair problems at once, you need to try cassava leaves. A fair warning, it can be poisonous too. Don't be nervous. The way it benefits your health and skin is beyond your imagination. Cassava is one of those foods when consumed rightly, it can be very beneficial, but is known to be poisonous because of its ingredients. Cassava is used to prepare food by adding it to potatoes or other green vegetables. The richness of the protein makes it stand out from other leaves. Now let's look at some nutritional facts. The nutrition values of cassava leaves. It is a rich source of protein. It consists of arginine, lysine, valine, leucine, and isoleucine. It has 10 times more protein content than its root. It is low in calories and doesn't hinder a weight loss regime. It is also rich in fiber and carbohydrates. Vitamin C is present in this leaf in large numbers. It also contains vitamin B that helps repair the DNA. Now let's go on and look at some health benefits of cassava leaves. The leaves are a rich source of iron. This factor makes it a must-have for pregnant women and those who are anemic. It has a high amount of folate and is also rich in vitamin C. These leaves contain a protein called the lysine that fights against kwashiorkor, a condition caused due to deficiency of protein. You should remember to wash the leaves thoroughly before consumption, as the presence of cyanogenic glycosides in it may result in eyesight loss or even cyanide poisoning. The properties of the leaves help to reduce fever. It also helps reduce headache caused by external factors. Consuming it every day heals blurred eye vision. It also helps in restoring your appetite. If you have just recovered from fever and don't feel like eating, adding this to meals will help to increase your appetite. The leaves have analgesic properties that helps in treating arthritis and reduce inflammation in your body. It is a one-stop natural and harmless remedy to treat worms. Using it for skin delays and aging process of the skin. Now let's look at cassava leaves recipe that you can follow at home. Number 1, recipe to reduce fever. You need grounded cassava leaves and the cassava root. Now the method: boil the roots and the leaf in 1 liter of water. Add about 80 grams of the stem and 400 grams of the cassava leaves. Once the water is reduced to half, let it cool down. This recipe helps in bringing down the body temperature. Number 2, recipe for diarrhea. You need 4 cups of water, 7 cassava leaves. Now the method: boil the leaves in 4 cups of water until the water quantity reduces to half. Once cool enough, strain and drink it to reduce diarrhea. Number 3, recipe to treat rheumatic diseases. You need 150 grams of cassava leaves, ginger root, salt, and lemongrass. Yes, you remember lemongrass. Okay, now the method: boil water and then add the leaves, root, and the lemongrass to it together and reduce to a simmer for 30 minutes until the quantity decreases. Now, add salt in it. Use it daily to treat and prevent rheumatic diseases. Number 4, recipe for healing wounds. You will need paste of cassava leaves, aloe vera gel. Now, the method is: crush a few leaves using mortar pestle and mix with aloe vera gel. Apply this paste on wounds regularly to heal all wounds. Number 5, recipe for blurred eye view. You need cassava leaves, garlic, and some salt. Wash the leaves properly and put them to boil. Add garlic and salt and use this as a salad to accompany rice. Consuming the leaves every day improves vision. Precautions. Cassava leaves contain a substance called the hydrocyanic acid, which is poisonous, and hence it must be washed and, most importantly, thoroughly cooked. Once boiled, the acid disappears. The water in which it is boiled should be discarded. The leaves are otherwise safe to be used for consumption. This leaf is not like any other leaf. Adding it to your daily diet will help to notice the changes its benefits have to offer your body. The richness in vitamin C and the other minerals help in the overall functioning of the body. Other than boosting your immunity, it can also be used as an alternative medicine to treat many diseases. Now, someone may ask, how can I cook the leaves? Firstly, clean the leaves thoroughly. Now, heat a pan and add water to it. After that, add the leaves and put them to boil for about 10 minutes. Then reduce to a simmer for another 5 minutes and turn off the flame. Number 2, can I die if I eat cassava leaves? Yes, if you chew it raw and if consumed without boiling. Boiling it kills toxic ingredients like linamarin, lotostralin, etc., and all other harmful parasites that you can find in the leaves. This is where we end today's episode on Health Zone. Please like, share, comment. Make sure you hit the notification button so you'll be notified anytime we make a post. My name is Jennifer Amlade. Thanks for watching.